In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can buy Robux with a Paysafecard. Now this actually works. What we want to do is click on the Robux icon in the top right, and then we'll just click on buy Robux. Now from here, we will just need to select the amount of Robux which we want to purchase. I will do this one, 400 Robux for $4.99. And it's going to take us to this screen here. So secure payment with Robux or with Roblox, secure payment type. Now what we want to do is actually click on other here. So just click on other and it's going to load up a new page like so. And it can show us these options. So credit card, debit card, Amazon Pay, and we have the option to use Paysafecard. So we can just click on Paysafecard here, and it's going to ask us for the email to get a receipt. So here we can just type out one of our email addresses and we can click on pay now, and it's going to refer us here to the new page. So we can type out the code right here and you can use Paysafecard to pay that way. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.